Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. We do have a guest star today on our show, Seymour. He's gonna be making this video with us. He's just eating his lettuce for now. Have the Seymour cam eventually. All right. So hope you're all doing well on this Tuesday. Let's see. What we are doing today is continuing our Harlem Renaissance assignment from yesterday. This is going to be the part 2. Sorry, he's very loudly chewing. So we're going to be completing part 2 of the Harlem Renaissance assignment. As you can see, that is part of our to-do list. What you're going to do first is watch this video. Okay, sorry, I'm getting kind of distracted. We'll do our learning objective first. So learning objective for today. I can understand the events that led to the Harlem Renaissance and learn the key vocabulary words from the article. Okay? This is going to be the same article that you were reading yesterday, just the second half of it. And there'll be different questions to answer. So before you read this second part of the article, actually, you're going to go to vocabulary.com. Most of you have signed up for that, but if you haven't, you need to do that today. It's going to be the Harlem Renaissance vocabulary assignment on vocabulary.com. This is going to be a list of words that's going to be on a vocab quiz that we're doing on Thursday. Okay? So practice this list today and tomorrow. There's an actual quiz on these words on Thursday. The same words that are in the article that are underlined and bold. So, like for example, intellectuals is going to be one of the words. Epicenter, heyday, indelible, disparaging, consciousness, and validated. And then the words from yesterday that were underlined and bold as well. Okay? So practice that list on vocabulary.com. There is a quiz. And then complete part 2 of this assignment. And then last couple things. If you have not done the assignments from last week, you need to do that today. Or not last week, the week before spring break. So especially that independent reading daily journal log. Those were graded yesterday, and a lot of you are missing those still. So please go on and do that if you have not. Make sure you submit it. All right, so I'm going to show you really quick what the folder looks like for today. So this will be Tuesday. There's not going to be 4 links to this and just one for each class. So like your class will have a link. Click on this for the vocabulary, whatever class you are, will bring you there. So, yeah, this is the teacher view, so I don't know exactly, but it'll show up your assignment. Oh, there it is. Let's go back, hold on. Yeah, it's this one though, the Harlem Renaissance vocabulary. All right. So that's what we're doing today, and then this is the article again. If you still are struggling with how to summarize, go back to yesterday and watch that video that I posted in the article about how to find the main idea of stuff and how to turn that into a summary. All right, kind of a shorter video today, but let me know if you need anything. Check in with me on office hours if you haven't yet. I really like seeing all of you. I had a couple new people that haven't gone on yet join yesterday, so that was cool to see you. But yeah, just feel free to check in every day if you'd like to, just to talk or if you have questions or whatever. Last thing, if the article or any other reading that we do is like too difficult or you're just kind of struggling with it, you can let me know and I will do like a audio recording of the reading so you can listen as you read along, kind of like an audiobook. So like, for example, if today the article is difficult and you want me to read it, you could come on office hours and I would do that, or you can just email it, or email me and I will send you back a recording. Hope that makes sense. All right, everybody, have an awesome day. Signing off, Seymour. Say bye. He just wants his lettuce, but... All right. Bye, everybody. Have a great day. I'll see you on office hours.